That is, like I said, guys, that is the cleanest 575 you're gonna buy. 16 down, 5, 16, still here to 5. Kevin, what did you pay for a new squirrel barrel?
Yeah.
17. 16 5, he ain't paying attention. 16 5, 17. 17, 17, now 5. 17 5, 17 5. I'm straight. 36,000 for a new one, boy. 17, and he bought a brand new one. Had to work on it for the first year. 17, oh, he was not happy. 17.5. 17, he makes like 30, 40,000 bales of hay. And so he knows about these problems. Straight back at 17, 17.5. 17.5. 17.5. 17.5. 17.5. Where are you going to find a nicer one? Anywhere. You drive the wheels off your truck to find a nicer one, boy. 17.5. 17.5. Right off the local farm. Books right there. 17.5. 17.5. Don't hear them popping. I'm straight away at 17.5. 17.5. 17.5. I'm straight away at 17.5. 17.5. Oh, 17,000.